Okay, in this video I will show you how to take this out. This is an Ikea drawer and it's not obvious how to take this out. So, in order to do that, you have to go in the back of the drawer. And in the back, you will notice there's some weird clips. This points down and this points up. So, if you want to take this out, you have to hold this up, and the other one you have to hold it down, and that can be removed. So, help me to take it out, sweetie. And if you do like this, out, does it go? Wait. Up, and this down, track out, slowly out. No? Wait. Does it go? No. Let's try again. So this one is clicking. So after the click, you do up. It's pushing. Wait. And this one has to do. And yeah, and this it gets out. Amazing. Right? Very simple trick how you take this out.